we've successfully created our concept model. Now, let's create some render views from this model. At an early stage, this process can be cumbersome, especially when we don't want to invest too much effort into rendering at this point in the project. With Snaptrude, you can utilize AI renders to quickly create your concept render models. First, select from one of the saved 3D views, or adjust and pan the existing 3D view. Once you're satisfied with the 3D view, click the New Render button under the Renders panel. A new Render tab will open. Here, you can see the current 3D view, and then select the render style, whether you prefer an artistic or realistic style. Then, adjust the creative or accurate render slider. This slider allows you to give more power to AI for a creative render, or less power for a more accurate render. After making this selection, you can choose whether you want a background rendered or just your model using this toggle button. For now, we'll keep the background rendering off. Then, select the rendering type, exterior or interior, the time of the day, and the weather. This last setting is optional. Rendering can be further customized by providing a prompt of your requirements for the model. If you're unsure what to prompt, simply click on the Suggest button. The Suggest option will analyze the model you have input and provide a description of what you might want to create. You can edit or change any of these settings as needed. Once you have adjusted your render preferences, click on Render to begin the rendering process. Rendering may take a few seconds. Snaptrude's rendering process takes into account the scale of your model, understanding the size, the number of stories, and the height of each story. This results in a much more accurate render that takes just a few minutes to complete. Once the render is generated, you can save or export this view. Remember to save the views if you like the render that has been created, or it might be lost if you re-render again. To re-render, click on the Preferences, adjust the render settings, change the prompt if needed, and click on Render again to begin the rendering process. You can generate as many render options as you wish. All saved renders can be found under the History section. If you want to change the render view, simply change the view from the model, reopen the Render tab, and you'll see that the view has been updated. Follow the same steps as before to generate a new render. All saved renders can also be accessed under the Renders tab. These renders can be renamed or deleted if necessary. All saved renders visible under History can also be exported as images directly from here. In this way, you can save and create renders on Snaptrude, easily export them, and share them with your collaborators later.